In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts on Brevo. We'll start right at the login page. Open Brevo and sign in. I'm using the sign in with Google option, then selecting my Google account to enter the app. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, head to the CRM area, then open Contacts. On the Contacts page, choose Import Contacts to launch the import flow. If you're ever taken to a different tab or view, just return to Contacts so you're working in the right place. When you see the import prompt, click Continue to move forward. Next, select Import from a file. Before you upload, a quick prep tip: make sure your file is clean and consistent. A CSV or Excel file works well, with one row per contact and a clear header row like email, first name, last name, and phone. Keep phone numbers in international format, avoid merged cells or formulas, and remove blank columns you don't need. Also ensure each contact has a valid email address and that there are no duplicate rows. Saving a tidy file now prevents errors later. Upload your file by dragging and dropping it into Brevo or by browsing from your computer. Wait for the upload to finish and for the preview to appear, then click Confirm your file to continue. You'll now see the mapping screen. This is where Brevo matches your file's columns to contact attributes. Carefully review each field. Confirm that your email column maps to email, that names map to first name and last name, and that any additional details like company or phone are matched correctly. If a column isn't needed, set it to ignore so it doesn't clutter your database. Adjust any incorrect matches so your data lands exactly where it should. When everything looks right, click Confirm Mapping. Next, choose the list you want to add these contacts to. You can select an existing list or create a new one if you're organizing a fresh group. Clear descriptive names help later, for example, by campaign, source, or date. After selecting or creating the list, click Confirm Your List. Brevo will process the import in the background. Large files may take a moment, and you'll see progress on the contacts page. Duplicates and invalid emails are handled according to your account's settings, helping keep your database clean. As a best practice, only import contacts who have given proper consent and keep your lists up to date for strong deliverability. And that's it. You've successfully imported contacts into Brevo and you're ready to start engaging your audience.